there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can utilize Canva, not only for your images, but for video, to edit them, to improve them. It's really great news. It's really powerful. Got some great tips and insights. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you can utilize Canva. Canva is around about $120 a year. It's really popular for editing images. Got a great selection of templates. I use it practically on a daily basis. It's really great value. But now they've got a load of tools that can help you edit your videos for your YouTube channel, for various forms of editing and improving your video. And it's really easy to use and surprisingly powerful. So what can you do with Canva with your videos? Well, they've got a number of transitions, you know, fading in, fading out, really a great basic functionality there. I've got to be honest, it won't compare to true professional desktop editing like Final Cut or Premiere Pro, but that's not its target audience. Its target audience is very similar to its image editor. It's when you want to do basic editing and some basic other improvements to your video, this is perfectly suitable for that. Now, it's also, if you want to put text on your video and you want some of those really cool text effects, Canva does it. It's really quite powerful as well. Transitions, I've gone through that. Actual video manipulation of objects. Another great thing is you can remove people or backgrounds from your video, and it's surprisingly easy and really very effective. Comes with royalty-free library of music, which is really important. If you utilize background music for your videos, your video on YouTube, and you don't get it from a source where you know that either you own the music or it's royalty-free, your videos can be banned from YouTube. That's not great if you spent quite a bit of time editing them and doing the content. But that's reality. It's one of the most common reasons why videos are banned, and you get a takedown notice through your YouTube channel. Another thing is they've got a whole library of video clips that if you got the pro version, the paid, and I think for around $120 a year, you should really consider getting the pro version, is they've got a whole library of video clips that you can utilize in your videos. And it's really quite impressive, the amount of clips they've got. They're professionally done and it shows. So I could go on and on. I've written a really fantastic article that goes into a bit more depth, that's got all the links and that. You'll find the link in the video description underneath this video. And if you found this video really useful, do us a favor, will you? Subscribe to the channel. It really encourages me to make more of these videos. Ring the bell so you get notified when I put the next video up. I make about 3 or 4 videos a week, so there's plenty of content. It's mostly around WordPress and membership websites that I produce. And if you've got any questions, leave a comment. I'll get back to you ASP. I'll see you soon, folks. Thanks a lot. Bye.